Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something I absolutely love. We're going to take some basic 8th grade math notes, specifically an amazing set put together by Mr. Sonu Singh, and transform them into a literal cheat code manual for mental math. Seriously, if you've ever looked at a massive string of numbers and felt your brain just kind of shut down, or if you're like me and you just love finding those hidden shortcuts in life, you are in the exact right place. We're about to completely change the way you look at everyday numbers.
So, let's kick things off with a bit of a mystery. What if I told you that numbers aren't just, rigid rules you have to memorize? What if they're actually an ancient, universal puzzle that's just waiting for us to solve it? Just imagine staring at a giant, random 7-digit number. Can you tell instantly if it's perfectly divisible by 7? I mean, most of us would immediately reach for the calculator on our phones, right? But by the end of our time together today, you're going to be able to spot the structural secrets hidden inside these massive figures without relying on a machine at all. It's going to be awesome.
Section 1. The foundation of even and odd. To really dive into this, we have to start with the undeniable laws of mathematical physics, the bedrock behavior of even and odd numbers.
The absolute rhythm of basic math is actually incredibly elegant when you stop and think about it. If you combine similar types, whether you're adding or subtracting an odd with an odd or an even with an even, you are always going to get an even result. Every single time. But the second you mix them up, introduce an odd to an even, you're left with an odd result. It's this perfectly predictable system of balance and imbalance that literally rules every single number in the universe.
Taking that a step further into algebra, I challenge you to plug absolutely any integer n into formulas like 2n or 2n plus 4. Because of the rules we just looked at, these expressions are ironclad guarantees. They will always, without fail, spit out an even number. Think about it. If you double any number, boom, it becomes even. If you add an even number to that, like in 2n plus 4, it stays even. It's honestly like a mathematical magic trick, where the outcome is totally rigged in your favor.
Section 2. Unlocking factors and multiples. This is where we start looking under the hood, so to speak, to see how numbers are truly connected to one another through these invisible mathematical threads.
Now, this core rule is beautifully simple, but man, is it powerful. It shows that if two different numbers share a factor, well, their sum and their difference are tied together by that exact same multiple. For example, if 5 goes into 20, and 5 goes into 10, then 5 absolutely must divide their sum, which is 30, and their difference, which is 10. They belong to the exact same mathematical family, and honestly, they cannot escape that shared DNA no matter how you add or subtract them.
What's really fascinating here is the domino effect of divisibility. Notice how a number divisible by two separate values is also governed by their lowest common multiple. So if a mystery number can be cleanly divided by both 4 and 6, you don't just know 2 facts about it, you instantly know it's divisible by 12, their lowest common multiple. The clues just compound on each other. It's like a giant puzzle solving itself.
And let's look at how remainders play into this framework. The absolutely crucial point here is that if you divide a number by 5 and have a remainder of 3, mathematically speaking, 3 more than a multiple and 2 less than a multiple are literally representing the exact same family of numbers. Let's think about the number 13 for a second. It's 3 more than 10, right? But it's also 2 less than 15. Both 10 and 15 are multiples of 5. It's all about perspective, and recognizing this symmetry makes mental calculations so incredibly fast.
Section 3. The divisibility cheat codes. Okay, now for the main event. We're going through a rapid-fire sequence of tests that will let you deconstruct gigantic numbers on site. Say goodbye to long division for basic checking, because these are the cheat codes you're going to wish you knew years ago.
So, these right here are your structural life hacks. Instead of processing a whole massive data set in your head, you really only need to inspect the tail end of the number to know exactly how it splits. Want to know if, say, 8,456,912 is divisible by 4? Just look at the last 2 digits, 12. Since 12 is divisible by 4, the entire 8 million something number is 2. No way, right? It's a massive shortcut that saves just an incredible amount of mental energy.
Then we have the digit sum family. For the numbers 3 and 9, you actually don't look at the end digits. Instead, you literally tear the number apart into single digits and add them all up. So if you have the number 123, you just add 1 plus 2 plus 3, which equals 6. Because 6 is divisible by 3, boom, so is 123. And for 6, well, it just combines the rules. If it's an even number that also passes the 3 test, it's divisible by 6. It's kind of like checking the ID of the number at 2 different security gates.
Now, the trick for 7 is slightly different.
It's pure procedural magic. It's not just looking at a digit. It's actually a mini algorithm. You remove the last digit, double it, and then subtract it from whatever is left. If your final result is a multiple of 7, well, your original massive number is 2. You just run this simple 4-step process. It feels almost like you're performing a magic trick, reducing a stubborn, awkward number down to a simple, bite-sized piece of data.
And then there's 11. The rule for 11 looks like this crazy zigzagging puzzle where you subtract the sum of alternating digits. You basically add up the first, third, and fifth digits, then add up the second, fourth, and sixth digits. Subtract one total from the other. If the difference is 0, or 11, or 22, you've instantly cracked one of the most stubborn prime numbers out there. It completely bypasses the massive headache of actually trying to divide by 11.
Section 4. Ancient Math Checking Secrets. Right, before we wrap up today, let's take a grounded shift from modern homework shortcuts to the awe-inspiring ancient origins of these exact tricks. Because, as futuristic as the phrase cheat code sounds, these methods are anything but new.
See, these mental checks weren't just invented for today's modern classroom, or, to help you pass a standardized test. They were actually being actively deployed way back in the year 950 CE. Just think about that for a second. Over 1,000 years ago, long before calculators, computers, or even the widespread use of paper, brilliant minds were uncovering these exact structural secrets. Absolutely mind-blowing.
The ancient Indian mathematician Aryabhata II actually documented this exact style of number play in his work, the Mahasiddhanta. He used a method of computing the digital root of a number, which basically means repeatedly adding its digits until a single digit remained, to double-check impossibly complex arithmetic operations. He was literally using the sum codes we just learned to make sure massive astronomical calculations were perfectly accurate, and he did it all without a calculator in sight.
So, from the basic building blocks of even and odd, all the way to the 10th century digital roots used by ancient astronomers, it really makes you realize that numbers aren't some boring chore. They are just waiting to be played with. They have a rhythm, a clear structure, and a hidden language that is totally accessible to anyone willing to look for it. So get out there, test these cheat codes out on your next restaurant bill, analyze the license plate in front of you in traffic, and just stay curious. What other hidden patterns might you uncover today?